Whether you travel in your RV full-time or escape on the occasional weekend, let's take a look at 5 ways to save money while traveling in your RV. Let's go. All right, let's run over that list. First on the list to save money while you're out RVing is signing up for resort or RV properties newsletters. This you can go directly to their website and sign up for exclusive discounts. I've seen anywhere from stay a few nights, save 30% off, or special weekends where you get added bonuses. Be sure to sign up for the newsletters, especially where you stay the most. Next on the list is downloading an app to your phone that can help you scout out the best possible price on fuel. Going a little bit down the road in either direction can save you 30 cents a gallon. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less, but it's worth trying. Third on the list is picking up a national park pass. The pass costs, at least as of this year, $80, where going to Grand Canyon National Park costs $35 per vehicle. So you can see if you're making multiple stops that can save you money over that year. It's a great deal. Fourth on the list is staying somewhere for a week. A lot of properties do offer weekly rates, which tend to be cheaper than doing the daily rate times 7. It also saves you on fuel, so instead of hopping between locations, you're getting a better rate on your stay and you're saving in fuel. Fifth on the list is buying tickets for attractions online versus buying them at the ticket window. You can save a few bucks per ticket a lot of times. It's not always the case, but we found, at least for where we've been, a majority of the time, you will save money. Hope you found these 5 quick tips helpful. If you did, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for upcoming content, and please share your favorites down in the comments below. How do you save money traveling in your RV? We'll see you next time.